Alright guys, welcome back to this particular video. Now to continue in this particular crash course, I'm going to show you how to understand leverage, how to take trades using the different types of order we have, or the market entry types we have on Bybit. So let me show you that quickly. Now, it has been brought to my notice that some of you are totally new to the platform, and so you're not familiar with some of the things there. Now, if you go to assets, in the previous videos I've made, you will see spot account and then the funding account and then the derivative account. But there are some adjustments Bybit has done on their platform just to ensure that they are able to track all the assets on your platform. They have created something called a unified trading account. So the unified trading account contains all your spot trading assets and then the derivative trading assets. That is the only thing you may see differences in your platform and the previous user. So coming to trade right here, if you come to trade, this is almost explained. I've explained everything here. Now, right here is where you have the leverage. I've explained what margin is, and leverage is very important. What exactly is leverage? Leverage is simply you having access to something you don't have. Simply put, if you have $10, you can actually borrow more money to trade on this particular platform, but then the money is totally virtual. It's not like you're going to borrow and withdraw and take the money. I'm going to show you that in practicality subsequently, but then let's go into explaining what exactly is that leverage. Leverage gives you access to open bigger positions so you can make bigger money, but then it's a two-edged sword. You can make money with it and you can also lose money. It's the same thing you're going to face. So please be careful with leverage. Make sure you stay within a leverage you know you're comfortable with. I would advise don't go above 15x leverage as a beginner. And then you can see, always make sure that you have your margin placed under the isolated. We have the cross margin. And for those of you who are new, you can see the portfolio margin. Not everybody has the portfolio margin. So we're going to activate the isolated margin. Make sure it is always on isolated margin. Then this is where the crypto peers are. For those of you who don't know how to activate the trade on the platform, I will go to MT5 and show you how to activate trades. But then I'm going to show you here and how to use the signals, how to take trades using the signals. So look at this very carefully. I have my leverage as 15x, and then I have $100 as my balance. That is the available balance I have. Now, the next thing I want you to also understand is the type of order. We have a limit order and the market order. What exactly is the limit order? The limit order helps you to take trades at the best price you want. Now, let me put it this way. This is my MT5, all right? And this is the current price of Solana. On the MT5, this is the current price of Solana. It is around $241. But then if I want to take trade at a particular price, that price has not gone there yet. Let's say I want to take trade at 222. That's around $222 when it drops down there. This is where I want to put my line. Now, I want to go bullish or to go long as you have on this particular platform. Here, there is only buy long, sell short on the futures market. So if I want to go buy limit, I am saying that as price comes down to this area, this is the limit I want to buy from. It's called buy limit. So if I'm placing my order, I will pick this number and then I will go to Bybit here and then I will place it that way. But let me start by using the market order. In practicality, I'm going to show you in practicality. So the market order is this, and I'm using a leverage of 15x. An isolated margin. So let me go here. I just want to select XRP quotes. This is quotes. Let me go to chart. Okay, this is where I have the quotes and scroll down. This is XRP. Beautiful. So if I want to activate my trade right here, let me have the 15-minute time frame. It is already going that way. But then if I want to activate the trade from the market order, now I have XRP. How many quantity of XRP do I want to use? Now, another thing you must know is that you can change this XRP to USDT. From order by quantity, just change it to order by value. I don't want you to use this. Just use the order by value. This is more stressful. Use the order by value, and then I'll click on confirm. So here, I'm going to put the amount of USDT I want to enter trades with. So this is it. Oh, sorry. Let me go back. I said 200 USDT. Remember that I have my leverage activated as what? I have my leverage as 15x. So look at this. Below here, you will see that this is the quantity of XRP I am able to buy with that amount. And what? This is the amount, the actual amount I am using. Actual amount I am using. Remember, we said that leverage can give you more money and it can take more money from you. That means if I am supposed to make $1 per 1% movement of price, I will make $15 instead. And then the same thing, if I am supposed to lose $1, I will lose $15 instead. But the actual money I am using is 13.5 something dollars. Now, why is it that way? This is calculator. If I said I have 13.5 something dollars, right? Multiply by 15. That's the leverage. That's the leverage I am using. It's around 13 point. Is that 13.5 something? Yes, 5 something. Now, remember, I am using a leverage of 15x. I'm entering the market with 200 USDT as the quantity or as my position size as at that moment. Having up to $200 to activate the trade, even when I have how much? Just $100 my balance. And then here, what do I have? I have the actual money, the cost, because the moment this one is gone, I will get liquidated. That's because I'm using the isolated margin. All right. So let's say I want to activate trade in the active market now. Now let me check my stop loss and take profit first before I do that. If I want to put my stop loss here, let's say this is where I want to put my stop loss and then my take profit here. Let me put my take profit here. Your take profit is basically where price will take you out or will close your entry and give you the money you have gotten, or the stop loss is where you have lost the money you are already putting in the market. So I'll click on this TP/SL. Now I am going long, that is bullish, I am buying. If you check this place carefully right here, it said take profit trigger by ROI. Leave it like that. Take profit trigger by ROI. So let me go and copy the value of my TP. It's 1.1720. I'll put it right there. Is what? 1.1720. That is my TP. And what is your stop loss? Your stop loss 1.1720 is your take profit is 1.1041. 1.1041. Is that the value? Is that the value? Let me check. 1.1041. Beautiful. That is the value. This is 1. What? It's supposed to be 1.17. It's supposed to be 1.1720. I think something happened. 1.1720. Beautiful. So this is exactly what I want you to see. You now see it. So click on confirm. You see? Now, if I am going long, I have my stop loss and take profit activated. I can actually adjust it, and I can also, so you see my stop loss is bigger on ROI than my take profit because I'm just doing it randomly. So I'll click on buy. You now see it will say do not prompt confirmation window anymore. No, I want to confirm, please. I want to see it confirm perfectly. Now I am in the markets right here. Let me show you. I don't want all these things. You will see that, you see, this is where the percentage increase is counting, or the percentage loss is counting. So if I want to add more position, I'll simply add this one and then activate the market, but then it's going to cost you more. You'll lose more faster than you have in the markets. All right, so you can go up to 50x. The more leverage you have, the more money you can make, or the more amount here. If you go with all the money in your account here, the more money you make, but then you must make sure that you know exactly what you're doing. So this one, you can toggle it. It's simply telling you how much do you want to put from all the leverage you've activated. All right, so that is basically one of the ways you can check these things. So this is the market order. Let me try the limit order so you see. If I go to limit order, remember I said buy limit and sell limit. So if I come here, I want to buy here. I want to buy here. When price comes here, that means it's a buy limit, right? 1041 is the buying price. Let's say 1.1041. Beautiful. 1.1041. The value is, let's say I am going with 3 something. Let's say 25% of the entire margin I have, the money I have. So if I click, if I want, I can put the TP and SL too. I click on buy long. So I will confirm. Beautiful. So come here. Can you see the position? If you click on position, you're actually seeing the active trade you have running. While for the orders is both the limit and the pending, or the active order rather. The limit and the active order are the ones displayed here. For position, you see is the active order. You can see that I have already made some small movement. I can just click on this unrealized P&L. You see I've made like 4% of the amount in the markets, right? So the more the leverage you are putting in the market, or the more the quantity, the more the money you're going to make. So these are some of the simple calculations you can use to enter the markets. All right, I will show you how to activate trades in the next video, especially on the MT5, and then I will show you how to take the signals on your trades. But then by then I will close this one. Let me close all these ones. Close. Then I'll come here and close. Oh, just like you saw close by, I close at that particular moment. So you just close your active trade. If you want to cancel this, you cancel. Also, I've canceled the order. So that is how to actually close your trade and also cancel the order you have in the market. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use the MT5 and then take trades also. Let me go to the next video.